All right, as of requested, some people asked if I could do a video for the N.2 of IXL. And how N2 works is they give you a shape. They say, hey, tell me all the things this shape is. So to do that, what you want to do is look at what the shape is, and then check with your definitions and see what's most similar. So let's name these problem 1, 2, 3, and 4. So if we look at number 1, and I compare it here, I would say it looks most like the rectangle. Okay, so this is a rectangle. But there's a problem. It isn't just a rectangle. It's a rectangle and everything else that's above rectangle. So it's a rectangle, but that means it's also a parallelogram, and it's also a quadrilateral. So it's a rectangle, parallelogram, and a quadrilateral. And I always abbreviate quadrilateral to quad because, well, let's be honest, I'm lazy. Next, let's look at 2. What picture does it look most like? Well, the square. That looks like a square. But again, that's not good enough. It's a square and everything else that's above it. So let's see. So it's a square. It's also a rectangle. It's also a rhombus, which means it's a parallelogram, and a kite, and a quadrilateral. Man, it's a lot of things. It's a square, a rectangle, a rhombus, a parallelogram, a kite, and quadrilateral. The only thing it isn't is a trapezoid. Okay. So let's keep going. You guys kind of get the idea, but we'll keep going. Number 3, we have to find out what it looks most like. Let's see. Has the same marks as this, so it looks like it's a kite. Okay, so this is a kite. So let's see, what else is it? So it's a kite and everything else above it. So it's also a quadrilateral.
What hour is it? 4?
So it's a kite and a quadrilateral. And then the last one we have here. Now it looks like a parallelogram, but it doesn't have the marks of a parallelogram. Looks like the only thing it is a quadrilateral. That's the only thing without marks on here. So it's a quadrilateral. So then we check. It's a quadrilateral and anything that's above quadrilateral. Well, there's nothing above that. So it's just a quadrilateral. Okay, so that's the notes for N2. Go try it yourself. Hope you do well, and I'll see you next time.